For model geometry cleanup, it's always a good idea to check if there are unnecessary disjoint pieces within the model and to discard them. So sometimes these pieces can be very obvious, as they are in this model. You can see they're just floating around the main slope surface. Other times these pieces are not very obvious because they can be very small compared to the rest of the model. So to clean up disjoint pieces, we select the geometry entity, go to Geometry menu, Surface Triangulation Tools, then Ungroup Disjoint. So all the disjoint pieces have been ungrouped, and now each one is its own entity within the visibility tree. So now we have to select and discard them. So I select the first piece, scroll down, Shift, then select the last piece. Make sure the role is construction. Then I go to Geometry menu, discard selected construction geometry. And I've discarded all the small disjoint unnecessary pieces, and I'm left with the main geometry piece for the slope.